Got a bit of an odd product for you today, but it should be fun. It's a mini light modifier. So yeah, this thing is for Bowen's mount. Let's pull it on open. I'll show you what I'm talking about. It is tiny, and I love it because of that. It's this little tiny thing that fits in a bag, and it's got the beautiful clicking, quick release, what are those called, ribs to it. The little poles that go in there, they're mounted, they're stuck in, you're not gonna lose them. I've had so many of these where those little tiny poles pop out. You have to set them in each and every time, put them in the right hole, and it takes forever, an unnecessary amount of time. Let's bring this on over to the board. We're gonna check it out in a little bit more detail. So this thing comes with a few different parts. In the bag, you get the actual, softbox itself, but that doesn't have anything in it. We also get a grid softbox in a bag and a diffuser in a bag. Let's open those up. Grid. Nothing too crazy there. Let's get this out of the way. And here's our oh, there's two of them. Well, that's cool. You get a second one for like a secondary layer. Nice. All right, well, this is just the bag. Let's get this out of the way. It is a really nice quality bag though. Actually, let's take a quick look at that. This bag has sort of like it almost feels like Gore-Tex. It's got that hexagonal grid. Oh, that's actually really beautiful. That looks like it would withstand some punishment. So here's the idea. You get your circle diffuser, you get your square diffuser, and then you also get your grid. Let's open this thing up. It's real easy. Basically, you're gonna take each one of these little ribs here, and I guess the kindest way to do it would be to go opposite each time and to open it up like so. But I don't think it really matters all that much. The assembly of this entire thing is a sort of like ABS plastic, so it feels very durable. Feels like it would withstand some punishment, but it's not going to add a whole lot of weight like if this was all aluminum parts or whatever machined like that. It's good quality to have machine metal parts, but if you're looking for portable, it gets heavy real quick. I like this kind of layout. This looks pretty good so far. Very compact, pops up into a much larger size diffuser than what you would have had otherwise. So let's see, this one looks like they attach just on the inside like so. That's kind of layer one diffusion. You can add in your second one here. Looks like it sticks just along this inside edge here. Nice and easy. Beautiful. Look at that, simple. But the way that I would probably set it up, keep it a little bit more directional. Because if you want something really big and soft, you're probably going to use a larger softbox anyway. So I have a feeling those go in the corners. Beautiful. That'll definitely help keep it a lot more directional, not just have it spilling all over the place. All right, so yeah, those are our different configurations. We have a couple different options there, and I think we've got some good options. Real simple to set up, real quick, real easy, and even with all the diffusers in, you can just click it down and be done with it. That's, you can leave it set up in your favorite configuration, which is nice. But we are gonna test it out. We're gonna see what this looks like on an actual light here. Beautiful. All right, so let's take this this portable light here, which has been a really interesting product, but this video is not about this light, so let's take that off. Take that off. Now we have just our raw bulb, and we can open this up. You get a full Bowens mount. There we go. Now we have our whole light set up here. Put the handle back on. All right, and now we'll take a look at this thing. I'm gonna start to spin the light on. You see it kick on there. Now the way that this Bowens mount is set up, it does have some obvious light leaks out of the back. So that's something you just have to sort of account for. It's not a huge deal, especially if you're aware of it. If you know that it's gonna happen, then whatever. Actually, let me get this to a fairly dim, maybe like 5%. And even close up, it looks like, ooh, yeah, that's a lot of light, first of all. Let's take that to, not 10%, let's take that to 1%. Even at about, what is that, maybe 1.5 feet away, we're getting some good, good soft light. Kind of wraps around a little bit. You can definitely use it for more dramatic things, but you can see how it creates a wider, softer band of diffusion. Let's see here. So yeah, very diffuse light. And let's take a look at it here. So blasting this thing a little bit. Let's see, we definitely have a little bit of like leakage around the sides here. You can kind of tell it's coming out this way, but that can be fixed with just the positioning of the grid. It's not a huge deal. That's more setup than anything. Yeah, so definitely a very compact option. Makes for a very sleek setup, very easy to use. And that's all important on gigs like this. Like, you need to have the ability to just sort of pop something out and get it going on the wave. So real important, and I like that. Ambitful, they're making an interesting product here. This is the PS30E? PS30SE from Ambitful. Really interesting product, super compact, easy to use. And real quick setup and tear down. That's beautiful. You can't hate on that. It's great. Easy. Alrighty. Well, we're excited to use this in the field, try it out in some more situations and different applications. But yeah, overall, very curious product. All right, well, that's our review of this thing. We're definitely gonna be bringing that on some gigs with us. We appreciate you joining us today. And if you're interested, check out a link in the description. We're gonna have our affiliate link up for these, for sure. Anyway, until next time, this has been Mega Mini. Peace out. Woo! Let's turn that down. There's 5. Some good wraparound on that. Not bad at all. Ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh. Looking dramatic. Lovely. Look at that. So yeah. This is definitely gonna make it on some gigs with us. I'm really excited to try it out. I think it's gonna be super interesting and yeah, very convenient. So thank you again. Peace out.